Has anyone ever told you that simply not eating enough of a particular nutrient could be silently eroding your health, piece by microscopic piece, without you even realizing it until it's too late? What if I told you the very building blocks of your existence, your muscles, your immune system, your very thoughts, are slowly crumbling due to an unseen deficiency, leaving you vulnerable to a cascade of unexpected dangers? In this video, we're not just going to talk about protein. We're going to pull back the curtain on the silent, insidious threats that emerge when your body is starved of this fundamental macronutrient. You'll discover how seemingly unrelated symptoms, fatigue, a persistent cold, even mood swings, could be desperate cries from a protein-deprived system. By the end, you'll possess the knowledge to safeguard your vitality, fortify your future, and truly understand what it means to fuel your body for optimal performance, ensuring a life of greater resilience and well-being. The journey into the unseen risks of insufficient protein intake begins with a fundamental understanding. Protein isn't just about big muscles or a post-workout shake. It is the architect of life itself, a complex tapestry woven from amino acids that forms the very structure of every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. From the hemoglobin that carries oxygen in your blood to the enzymes that facilitate countless biochemical reactions, and from the antibodies that defend against invaders to the hormones that regulate your bodily functions, protein is the indispensable workhorse. When this crucial component is in short supply, the body, in its remarkable but ultimately finite wisdom, begins a desperate process of prioritization. It starts cannibalizing its own less essential tissues to maintain critical functions, a process that, over time, leads to a slow, silent decline. Imagine a grand edifice, meticulously constructed, suddenly having its foundational stones removed one by one to patch a leaking roof. The immediate crisis might be averted, but the structural integrity of the entire building is compromised, leading to unseen cracks and vulnerabilities that will inevitably manifest as larger problems down the line. This is precisely what happens within your body when protein intake is consistently inadequate. The initial signs are often subtle, easily dismissed as general fatigue or the common cold. You might feel a persistent low energy, a struggle to focus, or find yourself more susceptible to every passing virus. This isn't just being run down, it's your immune system, heavily reliant on proteins for antibody production and the function of immune cells, operating at a compromised capacity. The specialized proteins that form antibodies, your body's frontline defense against pathogens, simply cannot be manufactured in sufficient quantities without an adequate supply of amino acids. Consequently, what might have been a minor sniffle becomes a prolonged battle, and what would have been easily repelled turns into a full-blown illness. Beyond the immediate immune response, the insidious reach of protein deficiency extends into realms you might never associate with nutrition. Consider your skin, hair, and nails. Often seen as mere cosmetic concerns, they are, in fact, powerful indicators of your internal health. Collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin's elasticity and firmness, begin to degrade without sufficient replenishment. The result isn't just a few wrinkles, it's a loss of structural integrity, making skin more fragile, prone to bruising, and slower to heal. Your hair, composed primarily of a protein called keratin, loses its luster, becomes brittle, and sheds excessively. Nails, too, become weak, ridged, and prone to breaking. These aren't simply signs of aging. They're visible manifestations of a deeper systemic protein deficit, a literal unraveling of your body's structural framework. But the impact doesn't stop at the visible. One of the most critical, yet often overlooked, consequences lies within your muscular system. Muscles are not just for movement, they are vital metabolic engines, playing a crucial role in regulating blood sugar, storing energy, and even influencing hormone production. When protein intake is insufficient, your body initiates a process known as muscle catabolism. It breaks down muscle tissue to harvest amino acids for more vital functions, such as maintaining enzyme production or synthesizing essential hormones. This isn't just about losing some strength, it's about losing valuable, metabolically active tissue. This loss of lean mass leads to a slower metabolism, making weight management a perpetual uphill battle, even if your caloric intake remains the same. The insidious twist here is that you might be consuming enough calories, perhaps even too many, but if the protein component is lacking, your body will still be forced to dismantle its own infrastructure, leading to a paradoxical situation of skinny fat, a seemingly normal weight coupled with a disproportionately high body fat percentage and weakened musculature. This decline in muscle mass, often imperceptible at first, gradually diminishes your strength, endurance, and overall physical capacity, making everyday tasks more challenging and increasing your risk of falls as you age. The brain, too, is profoundly affected by protein scarcity. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that govern mood, memory, and cognitive function, are synthesized from amino acids. When these building blocks are scarce, the production of crucial neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine is compromised. This can manifest as persistent fatigue, irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Imagine trying to build a complex machine with missing parts. The machine might function, but it will do so inefficiently and erratically. Similarly, your brain, deprived of its essential building blocks, struggles to maintain optimal cognitive function, leading to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and impaired memory. This isn't just about feeling a bit off, it's a direct impact on your mental acuity and emotional well-being, potentially undermining your productivity, relationships, and overall quality of life. Furthermore, protein plays a critical role in maintaining fluid balance within the body. Albumin, a protein produced by the liver, is essential for maintaining oncotic pressure, which helps keep fluid within your blood vessels. When protein levels drop, this pressure decreases, allowing fluid to leak out into interstitial spaces, leading to edema, swelling, particularly in the ankles, feet, and hands. This isn't merely uncomfortable, it's a sign that your circulatory system is struggling to maintain its integrity, potentially exacerbating other underlying health issues. The heart itself, a muscular organ, is also vulnerable. While severe protein deficiency leading directly to cardiac muscle atrophy is rare in developed nations, chronic low-grade insufficiency can contribute to overall muscular weakness and reduced cardiovascular efficiency over time. The ripple effect extends to your hormonal system. Hormones, many of which are protein-based, regulate everything from your metabolism and growth to your reproductive health and stress response. Insulin, growth hormone, thyroid hormones, all rely on adequate protein synthesis. A disruption in this delicate balance due to insufficient protein can lead to a cascade of endocrine dysfunctions, potentially contributing to insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, and other long-term health challenges. The very machinery that controls your body's delicate internal equilibrium becomes impaired, leading to a host of seemingly unrelated problems that all trace back to this fundamental nutritional deficiency. The twist here is that many of these symptoms are so generic, fatigue, mood swings, weight gain, that they are often attributed to stress, lack of sleep, or aging, completely masking the underlying nutritional culprit. This makes protein deficiency a master of disguise, silently undermining your health while you chase symptoms rather than addressing the root cause. So, how can you empower yourself with this knowledge? Start by re-evaluating your daily protein intake. Focus on incorporating high-quality protein sources at every meal. Think lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts. Pay attention to your body's signals. Are you constantly hungry, even after eating? Do you find yourself struggling with energy dips throughout the day? Are you getting sick more often than usual? These could be subtle whispers from a body craving more protein. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to assess your individual needs and create a personalized plan. The unseen risks are real, but with awareness and proactive choices, you can safeguard your well-being. Your body is an intricate masterpiece, and protein is the scaffolding upon which it is built. Neglect its foundation, and the structure, however slowly, will begin to crumble. Invest in its resilience, and you unlock a lifetime of robust health.